Just as keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and tactile satisfaction, charcoal smokers are winning over outdoor cooking enthusiasts who crave authentic smoky flavor, robust construction, and value. In this guide, we evaluate 5 of the best. Listen: Charbroil Bullet Charcoal Smoker 16-inch, 18202075, black. The Charbroil Bullet 16-inch charcoal smoker offers simplicity and reliability in a compact package. Its porcelain-coated steel body retains heat and resists rust, while the vertical design makes it ideal for small spaces, with 2 cooking grates providing ample room for ribs, brisket, or chicken, and an easy access door to manage charcoal and water. It's user-friendly and efficient. The built-in lid thermometer and adjustable dampers let you control the temperature precisely. Lightweight yet sturdy. List number: Eel Cook Charcoal Barbecue Smoker Grill, 20-inch vertical smoker for outdoor cooking grilling. For those seeking a step up in size and versatility, the Eel Cook 20-inch vertical smoker delivers. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it features 2 large cooking racks and a separate fire access door for hassle-free refueling. The dual ventilation system and integrated thermometer ensure excellent temperature management, while the water bowl keeps your meat moist throughout the cook. Its larger capacity and robust construction make it perfect for entertaining or tackling big barbecue projects. List number: Sunlifer 20.5-inch vertical charcoal smoker and grill combo. Heavy-duty barbecue smokers. The Sunlifer 20.5-inch vertical charcoal smoker combines premium quality with multi-functionality. This heavy-duty smoker also doubles as a charcoal grill and even a fire pit, offering 3 cooking configurations in one. The 2 spacious cooking grates, adjustable air vents, and built-in thermometer make it easy to manage heat and smoke for perfect results. Its durable, heat-resistant finish and sturdy construction mean it's built to last. The modular design allows you to adjust the height. List number: Royal Gourmet CC 1830S 30-inch barbecue charcoal grill and offset smoker, 811 square-inch cooking surface. For serious barbecue enthusiasts, the Royal Gourmet CC 1830S delivers professional-level performance. With 811 square inches of cooking space, including a large grill and offset smoker box, it's perfect for cooking for a crowd. The offset smoker lets you infuse meats with rich, smoky flavor while grilling on the main chamber. Adjustable charcoal pan, front and side shelves, and a built-in thermometer make cooking convenient and controlled. Its sturdy steel construction ensures durability, while wheels add portability. List 5 Cuisinart 18 vertical charcoal smoker, integrated thermometer, water bowl, and dual vents. Perfect for smoked brisket. The Cuisinart 18 vertical charcoal smoker is a great choice for both beginners and experienced pitmasters looking for a compact, efficient smoker. Its 2 stainless steel cooking racks offer plenty of space for meat and veggies, while the porcelain enameled water bowl keeps everything juicy and flavorful. The dual vents and lid thermometer help you maintain consistent temperatures, ensuring tender,